All right. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever country you're connecting from. You're welcome to the weekly market review. And glory be to God, we're also going to be giving out $3,000 account to five lucky winners. All right. So I'm not going to waste so much time in tonight's market review. Yeah. So I'm just going to time myself from now till 9:30. We should be done. I'm not waiting for anybody. We already had enough time, about 15 minutes plus, waiting for people. So we just proceed with what we actually come here to do. All right, so we're going to be looking at the market today. We have some certain pairs that we're going to look into. Yeah, so you can make profit for the week. Yeah, it's very important that you make money for the week here. This is the third month of the year, 2025. Yeah, and which happens to be the first quarter of the year 2025. So after March, we get into the second quarter. So wherever you are currently, look at your account balance from January to now. Are you proud of it? If you're not proud of it, you need to start doing something very useful. All right, something that's going to change your life. You need to start making money. You need to take a forex journey very, very, very serious. Okay, if you're just starting out as a beginner, you know what to do. Get the knowledge first before any other thing. Forex is one of the hardest way to make easy money. Yeah, it's not as if forex is hard, but it's one of the hardest way to make easy money. The money in forex is easy, but you got to pay the price. So what we mean by the hardest way to make money is you paying the price, and paying the price is that is the thing that a lot of people don't actually have. Why? Because they feel like first they get rich quick scheme where they can just come in and make money for themselves, which is not realistic at the beginning. You need to pay the price. If you can give 4, 5, 6 years to university course and you can't give forex enough time, come on, then you're not serious. You're not serious with yourself. You know, people have this perception because of they see people driving luxury cars, Lamborghini, Benz, you see the lifestyle and they think it's just like that. No, there is no overnight success. People actually pay the price to actually get to where they are. And another information is that they could be lying to you. Maybe they're not actually making money from forex. Yeah, that one's self deep, but that doesn't mean that you should be pressured. Yeah, and that doesn't mean that you should be ignorant and be procrastinating. Now, ignorance and procrastination is the killer of time and the killer of destiny. So I don't want any of you to be in that category. If you've been following my life, you should be able to have been making money for yourself because we have diverse testimonies from different people across the world and they are doing very, very, very well. This life has changed a lot of people's trading. Yeah, they're doing so well in their trading. I don't know about you, but if you're just joining in, yeah, you have to take your journey very, very, very serious. My work is to communicate the knowledge to you. Your work is to do the assignments. Yeah, in your house, you know, visit the first market every day. As long as you're able to use your smartphone, use your WhatsApp, you should be able to do forex trading. Yeah, yeah, trust me. Now, forex is the number one market in the world. The only market that cannot crash. Every other business can go down. They can experience bankruptcy. But forex, as long as this set is still in existence, come on, the forex market will always exist. And imagine that kind of business that you have access to. Come on, anywhere you are around the world, whether you're inside water or you are inside soccer, as long as you have network, you have food, you have what it takes, you have the right knowledge inside your brain, you can make money from wherever you are around the world. And glory be to God, we've been giving accounts back to back, and so I'm giving account this month, and five people are going to go home with a 3K account tonight. Now, please and please, I'm going to address this, and I'll say it before the end of this live. Please don't be hoping on giveaways. If you know you want to succeed in trading, don't be hoping that one day I'll call your name. One thing is to hope, another thing is for you to face reality. You understand? To face reality. The giveaway is not something that may just happen, that happens currently. So it's not like that. So please don't be open on giveaway that okay, one day when they're going to give away without you funding your account or taking action. No, don't. If keep your mind open. Today might even be the last giveaway. So if you're just hoping one day that you get an account for yourself, you just grow there and it doesn't make any sense for you. So please, you winning a giveaway should be something that is an added advantage to you, added account to you, and not as if that is what you're focusing on to be your first. No, do the needful, get your account funded, purchase your account, do something, start trading, participate in anything that we're doing. If we are okay, I'm seeing a question. So I haven't answered you. Okay, Fidelis, I've not yet entered Instagram. So what is you? Just send me your message to that Instagram. Please, whenever you're texting me, as soon as you agree to go straight to the point. I don't have time to be answering good evening or good afternoon. Once you just go straight to the point. Don't wait for me to answer your greeting. Before you start talking, I'll be asking me how am I doing? How is my family? How is my children? How is this one? Please, just go straight to the point. There's so many messages in my DM. All right. Yeah. So I said, let me give you guys this pep talk because it's very important. I know some persons coming to my DM before this live session telling me, please, sir, remember me today. I know they do that kind of thing. No, it's based on merit. You understand? Somebody comes to my DM to beg me, so please say, my name is this. My name, call me, please. I have not tweeted before. This one. Don't come to my DM to beg me for account. I'll not answer you. I won't answer you. Okay. All right. Like I said, I'm still going to repeat this before the end because I know that more people will still come in, and I want everybody to have access to this information. Now, another information I need to communicate to you guys before we dive right into the live and randomly pick people for the 3K funded account is that Tentrade is doing a promo. Yeah, 20% promo on all funded accounts, evaluation and stand funded. There's an opportunity for you to benefit from this. Now, those of you that have been following me, like Oseni that is there, I know testimony should be here. Michael should be here. Paul, these are the guys that are following back to back. Oyema Peters, this one, they know they miss life. Manly FX, yeah, I've seen you, Eric Johnson. These guys are always constant. Let me scroll through. Which other person? Ugu Wilfred here, very constant. Dico Blade, also known as Divine, very constant guys, always on the live. Then BJ, yeah, somewhere Oko, that's his name. So he's always constant. So these are the guys that follow back to back. Christian Daniel. So many of you have been following back to back. I noticed your presence, and it's not as if because of they are looking at okay one day I'll dance back. I know they are doing well for themselves. Trust me, they are doing well for themselves. All right. So yeah, please don't hope on giveaways. So back to what I was saying. 20% on our account. Take advantage of it. Okay, take advantage of it. And also, competition is going on. How many of us are participating in the competition? I know at the beginning when the competition was launched, the money to purchase an account is $1,000, right? But it was later slashed to $500. Okay, but now you now have an opportunity of a 20% off the $500. That's crazy. And not just that, you're even given an opportunity to purchase a 10K instant funded account and above. If you can purchase a $10,000 instant funded account and above, then you have access to a free competition account. Guys, think about it. You're having two things to yourself. You're having a 10K instant funded account and above anyone you can purchase. So that is 90K instant funded. And also you are able to participate in the what? Competition, BTC competition. And you know the price, one BTC. How much is one BTC? Go and press your calculator. If you guys have been following Facebook media, you're not part of this. That's crazy. I think I'm saying someone that says it's part of the competition. Oluwafemi Pamakinde. All right, say it's part of it. Beautiful. Ogun dollar says saving up. Not bad. So please, this week I expect everybody to take advantage of what you have. I want everyone to be part of the competition. Imagine winning a BTC, and it's not just BTC. You have other prizes too. Crazy. Like up to 100 people are going to get prizes. Yeah, up to 100, if not more. See, so do you see that it's not just about the money that it's not just about purchasing the account. It's about helping traders grow. Imagine rewarding over 100 people. Over 100, you're going to get a prize. That's what you're doing when you're doing competition. Think about it. 100. So please get involved in this. You have opportunity. Promo runs for only 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Take advantage. As soon as the market open, please go and purchase the account. I want everybody to be there. If you cannot purchase 90K or 30K instant fund, you can purchase 10K. So you can have your 10K account while you still have your Bitcoin free account on promo. 20% off. Beautiful. So I expect everybody to be part of it. So don't miss out of that. Start doing that ASAP. For the mixed comedy, said boss victory is the one that was subbing your WhatsApp this evening. A lot of people subbing your WhatsApp. I'm not sure I remember. that. All right, so let's take the first market quickly. I'll be able to give that pep talk. So we have 85 people participating. I think we should get to like, we didn't really do much of publicity. So you have up to 200. But nonsense, but let us proceed. All right, so we're going to take the first one. Many of you know that I'm king of GJ. Yeah, that's GBBJPY. I trade GBJPY, and to be frank with you guys, where I've gotten into today is as a result of DJ. Yeah, I made a lot of money from DJ. No jokes, DJ. And for the fact I made a lot of money from DJ doesn't mean that you two have within DJ. There's a special group that I have. There's this guy, Divine. Divine is it. You know the other person rest. You just be posting analysis on DJ. I say, guy, there are other pairs you can explore. Come on. For the fact that I'm making money out of DJ doesn't mean that you too you should not get inside. If you want to get that, there's no problem about that. There are people who trade only group, people who trade only GBP, USD, Euro, different ones, or even 5 or 10. For the fact I trade DJ doesn't mean I don't trade other pairs. Those of you in the traders group, you know that I trade other pairs. So it doesn't mean. Okay, so we're going to be looking at DJ first, and DJ, I think this past week we already had one loss on DJ. So we're going to look how far it's going to go. Then I have something very interesting for you guys. I have my guys here with me. Yeah, my guys, my brothers, everything, mentees, students, both, all of us, we gathered day. I have them live here, not on call, but live with me in this place. So by the grace of God, I'm going to be calling on one of them to analyze and teach us what he's looking at in a particular pair in the forex market. I hope you guys are ready to see that. Okay, so my guys are here. So, they are here. You're going to see their faces anyway. So we're going to call on one or two persons to come and analyze and teach you guys what he's looking at the market. Okay. Boss Debbie is here. Debbie is here. Debbie, you're welcome. Good to have you. Debbie is one of those serious female students that I like her passion. And I understand I've been owing them a few classes. Yeah, this week I'm kind of busy and I'm also not feeling fine. But this week we're hitting it. And those of you that are owing classes, don't worry. I'm going to dive into that this week. Trust me, I cross my heart. Like this. This live video, I streaming to the world. I cross my heart. So those of you that are owing classes, we're going to look more into. So Debbie is a very magnificent person, a female. I think she's a mother as well, but very serious in this forex stuff. Wow, I'm really amazed at the rate at which she has grown in forex, and that's fantastic. I really love that energy. If a lady could do this, what more could the guy actually do? Oh, all right. So with 100, beautiful at 100 people. So let's look into GJ. Joe Black said, at just 17, I'm deeply passionate and fully dedicated. Let me pin it out, sure, so you can see that. Let me see what it's saying. At just 17, I'm deeply passionate and fully dedicated to learning and growing under the guidance of the perfect mentor, FX Media to the world, your platform of mentorship and success. Okay. All right. Thank you. You're 17. You're very young. That's beautiful. It's very fantastic for you to learn for us at this time. Yeah, start experiencing the market. Let market kick you kick the market too. Everybody should get together. Then you learn from every other thing that you need to learn. And don't give up, okay? All right. Peter said, boss, I have buy the evaluation account using your promo code, but you haven't added me yet. All right. After the live, send me a message. Like I said, don't just send me good morning, sir, good evening, sir, good afternoon. As you are greeting, just go straight to the point. Okay, thank you. So we're going back to the chat. Oh. Hey, Samuel, this is the but Samuel is there from the penny class. Thank you very much. All right. Okay, so top-down analysis, we're going to be adding a few price action and SMC concept to analysis. Yeah, but I'm not going to give you full details. Why? Because it's not a VIP class. This is a free class. So I'll just analyze straight up. So if you are new right here, you don't know what we're going to be talking about or what I'm going to talk about. If you don't know, well, first it's not complicated. You know what to do. You have an academy, send a message. register and start learning the right way, so you can probably understand what we're doing. Because what we're going to be doing right here is going to be professional and advanced. So if you don't understand, don't feel like Forex is hard. No, Forex is not hard. Okay, so you just need to go through the right route. You don't do JSS1 before after JSS3. No, there's a step you follow. Okay, so I always leave my analysis on chart so I can see where I fucked up, where I make a loss, where I made my profits here. But this past week, I've been trading my phone, trust me. So I don't really have history like that. I've been trading my phone. Even looking at the markets that I'm going to be looking at for tonight, I was using my phone. I was casting to my TV, so I was not really on my system that much this week. So what we do is we go to the higher time frame to identify the trend. We understand the top-down analysis strategy. First, we identify the trend. Yeah, the next thing is what we come down to lower time frame. All right, so let's see to it. So first thing first, higher time frame, either we're looking into day 1 or 1 week. Now, so far so good with what I've been following up. GJ is in an uptrend here, in which he created an all-time high here at this top. And I remember in my previous live, YouTube live, I said to you guys that this high created, okay, the market has to do a dump. They had a dump to this point, created a double bottom. Now, for this double bottom, trust me, this double bottom has been created and the neckline broken. We can only witness, we can only expect markets returning back to the all-time high of GJ. So we're expecting markets to come back to this place. If you've been following YouTube live analysis, you know that this is what I've been talking about. We expect market to get here. So if you're a swing trader, you would have been on this trade buying this market for a long time. Yeah, I always advise as a trader you should have more than one account. You have series of funded accounts and your normal real fund. And I always advise everyone that please do not store funds. Please do not store your profits in your funded account. Make sure you withdraw, put it in your normal life account, grow your equity. And I always educate that as a trader, you are first an investor, right? You're first an investor. You focus on growing your equity rather than your profit. Yeah, because if a true trader, they deal with percentages. I'm not trying to flip accounts. If you're looking at trading in percentages, there's no account you can't trade. Percentages that are realistic, like 10 to 15%, 10 to 20%. Now, if you can look at it in that way and grow your equity, you can't compare a 10% of $10,000 to a 10% of $100. Now, what is a 10% of $10,000? That is a $1,000, right? And 10% of $100 is $10. You can't compare it, right? You can see the difference. So imagine that you are having a $10,000 account, real money, and you made it 10%. That's just 1K, and it's enough. Trust me, that's like 1.5 million. 10%. Let me tell you something. It's very easy to make 10% from the market, but due to greed, insufficient knowledge, being impatient, and being ignorant, these things actually make one to lose money from the market. Yeah, people want to flip account, and I keep teaching you guys, letting you guys know that. See, don't be a fool. Don't fall victim of videos you find on YouTube or social media platform that you see somebody flip $1,000 to 10K, or the one that's going around by, what is his name again? Stoner 75. I think he grew 1K to 100K. Now you need to understand something. I'm not saying Stoner didn't flip the account. He did. I always say that anybody you see that flip account, they flip the account because it's bigger than the money involved. And the money involved, you don't know how many times he tried it. He could have a 1K to spend like 5 times. It's the one that actually now go towards the direction that you now see. All right. Okay, I'm going to be sorry. Coming. Sorry, I'm coming. All right, so I've removed it. All right, so I was saying something that the $1,000 account can be split into 5 places, and the one that actually goes the direction is one that is now being posted. So please do not be do not be carried away. A real trader actually looks at realistic percentages. So focus on growing your equity other than your profits. You make profits fine, but focus on growing your equity. Not like when you make profits, you withdraw the money and that's it. You lavish it. No, you're an investor. So focus on growing your equity the more. So that when you make at least 5% or 3%, it's very realistic to you. You don't need to be greedy in the market. All right, so take that home. Let's go back to the marketers. So okay, hold on. What's going on? Okay, yeah, daily time frame. We have the markets around this zone. So let's go down to 4 hours. All right, so we've seen what market has done right here. It broke, created the triple bottom, but back to this important resistance zone, came back, like went down, gather momentum, and started creating higher highs and higher lows. And this is where the market is currently at. On the 4 hours time frame, it has created 3 higher highs, higher lows rather. So we have higher low, this higher low, and this higher low. 3, all right, at this point, after breaking what? Structure. Yeah, in this place. So broke structure, came here to the demand zone, bought up, rejects down, and did what? Created a W. When we go to lower time frame, you see that you have a W, then I think in 15 or 30 minutes time frame, you have a triple touch. Then it's buying back and market close at this point. So let's go to the lower time frame of 1 hour. Okay, so we have this, a break of structure, right? And we have triple touch. Now, what are we expecting? Now, someone was saying that this place, anyway, sorry. Someone was saying that market has actually broke from this place. Now, we know that this is a resistance zone, right? And market is here. Someone said this market has broken. I said, no. I thought something. I can't remember the class. I think it was a private student I was teaching that time. I said, for you to confirm a proper break of a resistance or a support, the candlestick needs to break above with a bullish candle. Like the candlestick that breaks above needs to be a bullish candle. All right, a bullish candle. Example. Let me see what I can draw. How can I draw it well? I can't really draw it well. Let me don't bother. So just have it in mind that if you at this region you have markets, you have a buy candlestick that formed here and broke above, standing and not inside, standing, then you can call it that okay, market has broken down. But when you're having candlestick like this is not a break at all. Even with this indicator that we have here, it's only telling you a bear week that the market is most likely going to reject from here. It's likely going to reject from here. So what do we do? What is our bias? So I'm going to give you guys something that you're going to look into, like, okay, if this happens like this I'm going to trade. If this happens like this I'm going to trade. So we go to 30 minutes. Okay, we have market here. The candlesticks forming here are indecision candlesticks. We know indecision candlesticks. Now anywhere below face candle, they don't know whether they go buy or whether they say they're just indecision. So we don't have anything backing it up right now. So a decision has not been taken in this resistance zone. So what do we do as traders? We wait for two things. Either we wait for market to break above, break with a bullish, say strong bullish candle, all right, and expect a retest, all right, or when market opens, we now have more bearish candle, not indecision, forming in this resistance zone. Then we should expect a sell down to this trend line, all right. So, but if we have a bullish candlestick that breaks above, right? We expect a retest and we'll buy up to this resistance, this major resistance. I hope you guys are following what I'm doing right here. Christiane said, boss, you don't know how much this market analysis means to me. It actually helps get my mind ready for the week, and I appreciate. All right, thank you for that, Christiane. All right, so let's go back. So we have 106 people here. Beautiful. Now, I said that if we have a bullish candlestick to break above right here, so we expect market to buy up to this resistance zone. Now, that is a move on a day trader. Now, a swing trader. Where will a swing trader enter? Let's go back to higher time frame. Always remember that it's not my father that owns the forex market. So what we're doing here is speculations. So as we're speculating, it doesn't mean that okay, as mentor don't talk, I will just put all my capital. Say as you can say, now like this will be, go buy am. If you lose your money, that will concern you. So that's why it's important to apply proper risk management. Always apply for. I don't own the forex market. Nobody owns the forex market. So we only speculate. And for every trade we take, we risk a little to gain big. So just so also as to preserve our capital. So market goes in for us, we make more profit. The market goes against us, we make little loss. And it's simple as that. All right. So 4 hours time frame. What would a swing trader do? Now, a swing trader would have already started buying from here, from this place where the double bottom formed. Okay, already start buying from here. Now, this is where the market is currently at. What are you going to do as a swing trader? Swing trader, where are we going to enter from? Let's go to the daily time frame. Now, a swing trader is going to enter from here. I'll show you. It's going to enter when the market has broken out of this major resistance zone. When it breaks above, then you can swing the market. But for now, to rush in, you need to adjust your SL belleful. If you reach like 200 pips SL, you understand? And except your Aldogu, maybe you want to use 200 pips, you can't use 100 lots. You're gonna be that too. So that is what's good. That is how swing traders are going to enter the market. But for now, it's already looking like late. Then and again, what else? Wait for market to open. The opening of market will give us a direction of where we're going to face. And like I always say to you guys, we allow the market to rest, like settle. You know that market opens at times with gap. Like last week, market opened with gap. So if you are a Bebeto trader, as market open, just carry trade. Or for you, your spread feel loud. Spread will not chop your stop loss. You can't the one that can't the cost broker say now this one Ghana, you know sabi trade, no get sense. So you allow the market to rest. There's London session for you to trade. There's New York session for you to trade. There's Asian section for you to trade on Tuesday early morning. So why the rush? Allow the market to settle. I used to trade immediately the market open, but I over time I started losing. You understand? I had to readjust my trading plan, the way I trade. Okay, so now that is what I'm looking at for GJ. So when the market opens, it's going to give me a direction as to what to trade. So based on what I said now, if you have a market, a bullish candle that breaks above well, then I will buy. I said so. But if you have bearish market start forming back into this place, I'm going to sell down to the trend line right here. That is what I said. Okay, so watch out for the market. Those of you maybe that are night workers, you are doing Yahoo. If you are awake at 3 a.m., me, I go to sleep. Yeah, maybe you see entry, free trade, no problem. But I already see what I'm looking at. So that is it for GJ. So Osani say, boss, look at CAD JPY. All right. So I'm going to give the first two winners for the funded account. By the grace of God, Um, Tentrade FX Media has been a blessing to a lot of people. Those of you that started FX Media, oh Jesus Christ, the started FX Media, you know how far I go to search for benefits and information that will benefit people who are going through FX Media or has gone through FX Media. And by the grace of God, I stumbled on Tentrade, which has a wonderful package, and I brought it to you guys. Before bringing the funded account package to you guys, we already have updates. It's the time we did road to $10,000, and by the grace of God, we weren't able to achieve the $10,000, but at least we have people who made good profit. The one that at the end of the year they made 2K, 5K, 6K. That was the beginning of FS Media, the beginning of FS Media. Okay, so we've been going out looking for more updates to help people, and we know that capital has been a lot of people's issue. All right, so that is why now I have to bring in work with Entry to bring in such a package for you guys and people that are one way or the other connected to First Media, so that you don't have any excuse that capital is your problem. You can use a $39, $33 to purchase a 1K account. You can use $32 to purchase a 3K account. Those taking money that I had. So come on. So what's the excuse? You can use $100 to buy. Which account you can use $100 to buy? Let's say 3K instant funded or so. Or so in that range, 100 to 200, you can purchase a very large account, and fantastic. You have it. If you have $1,000 to spare, you can buy a large account. Crazy, So tell me, capital is no longer your problem. Your problem is knowledge. So seek the knowledge, do it the right way, okay? All right. Peter said, boss, I have no idea about. Okay, Peter, I've answered you now. Come on. I've answered you already. Winco, you just the copy paste. You are spamming this place. I go kick you come out. What are you even saying? Let me even read what you are saying. Wait, what you are saying. Okay, First Media, my boss, you have been my mentor for 2 years now, and I appreciate everything you have done for us. God bless you. And I have been attending this for more than 10 times. Please pick me. Oh, okay, I should pick you. Nice one. Christian, so I should analyze BTC USD. Wow. Have you made money from Forex? If you have made money from Forex, no problem, you can trade BTC. If you have not made money from Forex, leave BTC alone. Leave your SAU, okay? All right, so I'm going to bring up in like the next 2 minutes, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I'm going to bring up one of my G's. It's going to take us on the next pair. Hope we're ready. All right, so based on the activities done, okay, so we have our first winner. Our first winner goes to royalty. Yeah, royalty. Now, if you are not here on this live, sorry for you, I'll give it to another person. I've called the first winner, royalty. All right, so the second winner goes to EGOT. EGOT. So that is, I don't know which kind name be that one, but it's saying EGOT. So if you don't confirm me, I'll give it to another person. So I've called the two winners that we have. All right, you have 3 more to go. I mentioned royalty and EGOT 2. So please confirm in the live. If you are not here, I'll give out to another person. Okay. So now let's continue. So let me call my G to say hello to everybody right here. I am BJ Worldwide. Many of you know BJ. BJ, come. You wear singlet. No worry, just come. No worry. Agba trader. Those of you that follow my this, you know BJ. BJ is in the house, man. Yeah, my bro. Yeah. This is BJ Worldwide. Hey.
Hello, guys.
No worry, they can hear you.
Hope you guys are enjoying the class. Okay, so
no, he's a black man. He's a black man. All right, so BJ is a brother from another mother, and it's this thing that they say that show me your friend and I'll tell you you are. You can't know me, I don't know how to cheat. There's no way. So there's something also said what rub off can do. Rub off. When you mingle with certain people for a certain period, you just catch some things. So this one is not just about catching something. I've catch a lot of things. He's doing very, very well in trading, and glory be to God. We thank the Lord that he's doing well in trading. So thank you, BJ
Bye.
Worldwide.
Thank you, everyone.
Ahead. Oba of Lagos. I want you guys to meet Oba of Lagos. I call him Oba of Lagos because he's a very brilliant guy. This guy studied chemical engineering. The chemical engineer,
Everyone,
Jesus, forest trader, tech,
many
any
things.
so many things. You see that in brain, they hot, they come out smoke like this. Now, every time they pour and cold water for it, but then small thing, smoke will come outside. So the guy is a very one. So you guys meet up, and he's doing very, very well and very
Hello
fast.
everyone, how you guys doing? Hope I enjoyed the weekly markets review.
They are enjoying it. They should be enjoying.
Well,
I know a lot of people are right here waiting for giveaway. God, please pick me, pick me. They God, let boss talk fast. Please stop. Let it talk fast. Let it pick me. Okay, I don't do that. Don't just depend on giveaway. Don't depend just on giveaway. Buy accounts, trade, fund your money. If you are lucky enough to be picked, fine. That's an added advantage, okay, to yourself. But don't look that okay, please. I'm waiting for giveaway. Please. No, 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 don't look at that. All right. Thank you very much, Oba. So I'm gonna call you on the top person. Emi Sticks. This one a drummer, forest trader, engineer, tech, Google T, laptop expert, everything. All these are my niggas, and all of them are doing forex. Like I said, you can't be around me and not know how to trade. You should know how to trade. That is just it. You should know how to trade. I know the hide update is normal. All right. So the master hello to them.
How you guys doing? I hope you're enjoying the review. I hope you're catching what I'm It's very important.
All right. So thank you very much, So I'm going to call on Oba. Oba is going to take us on USD briefly. He's going to analyze the market. So please let us um, quietly
let's pay attention.
get what he's going to explain to you guys. So he's just going to use like 5 minutes to explain to you guys EU. What his view on EU? They're going to use this one. Okay. EU no one show. Let me get EU for you. All right, okay. Okay, I think I'm going to. Okay, I mean, it's going to take us on the EU.
Hello everyone, once again, good evening and happy Sunday. It's good to be at this weekly market review. And I must say, FS Media is actually a blessed academy whereby, whatever you want to learn as regards the forex market, you're in the right place. So definitely all students of FX Media, they're actually under a good mentor. And if you are yet to be a student of FX Media, I advise you to come and register and learn everything that you need to learn when it comes to forex. Well, this evening I'll be looking at Euro USD and I'll be dropping my weekly analysis on it. And I hope that after the analysis, you definitely get good entry as regards Euro USD. So, firstly, I will go to the daily chart. So, on the daily chart, as we can all see, price is approaching a major supply zone. Price is approaching a major supply zone, which is this zone. Which is this zone here. So as price is approaching this zone, we'll go to the lower time frame to get more candlestick confirmation. As we all know, at supply zone, we have a lot of sellers waiting there to sell the market. So definitely, once price approaches that zone, we should be observing for sell entries. Now let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. Now, our 4 hour chart, we can see the different reversal candlestick being formed around that zone. You can see different inverted hammers, which are strong reversal candlesticks. Let's go lower to the 1 hour and the 15 minutes time frame and observe our candlestick confirmation there. You can also see on our 1 hour chart, we see a lot of reversal candlestick, a lot of pin bar. And as we all know, price definitely respects zones on higher time frames. So according to this setup, we have a lot of confluences to take this trade. The first confluence is our support and our supply zone rather, and the second one is our reversal candlestick being formed around that zone, which are all these inverted hammers. As you can see, a lot of reversal candlestick being formed around that supply zone. So definitely you should be looking for sell entries. Then coming down to our 15 minutes time frame, coming down to our 15 minutes time frame, coming down to our 15 minutes time frame, we can actually draw a trend line from this region down to the upside. And actually draw a trend line from here to the upside. Okay. So at this point, we can see that price breaks this trend line and is about going for a retest. So let's go to our 30 minutes time frame. You can actually see that price has broken the trend line. We tested the trend line and it's going downwards, giving us a good sell confirmation. So definitely with all these biases, you can actually get a good sell entry on the Euro USD, giving us a good risk to reward ratio.
You want to?
Yeah, I
What
just
to?
did.
Okay, I just see. But that one is like push it up first. I have to bring it back. Yeah. So adjust the screen first. Wait.
So as you can see on our screen, we have a good risk to reward ratio for this sell entry because price has actually broken the trend line and it has retested with a bearish candlestick confirmation. So once the market opens by 10, we observe how the market is moving. But definitely this is a good sell entry with a good risk to reward ratio. And at this region also, you can observe the formation of a head and shoulder pattern
Yeah,
around
left
this
shoulder, right
region.
shoulder, head. Yeah.
So we have more than I think more than two confluence for this trade.
Enough confidence, yeah.
Enough confidence for this trade for a good sell entry. So definitely, if you want to key into the Euro USD trade, you can observe this for a sell entry.
And so you're expecting price to drop to
this level.
Yeah, this level.
To this level.
Now the 1.0596.
Yeah. One.
That's over 231.8 pips. All right, so that's risking about. This is okay. All right. 69 points.
Yeah,
okay, just tap on it. Okay. So you want to enter from here, right? What this is your entry. You're waiting for market to open. All right. Beautiful.
So we can actually put our stop loss around this region because there will definitely be a change of character. So we can put our stop loss around the region that causes the change of character, which forms the other block. So I think there will be a change of character somewhere here. Once the market and price breaks through this neckline of the people of the head and shoulder pattern that formed.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Let me take it.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. So the wonderful section with you. Hope to see you guys more often.
Thank you very much. Okay. So I believe we actually got one or two from the EU. From the EU. All right. So the EU has a very fantastic setup. Yeah, very fantastic. I've been following it since last week. Okay. Following since last week. Yeah. Because now, first confluence that we have is market approaching the supply zone. Here, as indicated right here, there's a supply here, and market has done the correction. Has done the correction, the buy correction to correct this sell that has happened right here. And since market, I gave you guys a principle that when you have a market rally up, there'll be a corresponding sell, and when you have a market rally down, there'll be a corresponding buy. But are you going to know this? When are you going to know that this is going to happen at this particular time? Now, how you're going to know is the level of forex knowledge that you have in your head. Okay, so before that, let's go lower. Now, since you expect price to get into the supply zone, in which price has actually gotten there, inside there, actually from the head and shoulder right here, we see the head, we see the left shoulder, and we see the right shoulder. After breaking the structure, we broke above, creating now, because now I told you combine PA and SMC, I pick one or two to actually get my entries. So and it actually works for me very well. So if it doesn't work, I won't explain it to you guys. So that is, I won't teach you something that will blow your account. All right. So we have market create the market has also created left shoulder, right shoulder, and head. So where are we going to enter from? We're going to enter from, as I said, when we have market break here, we break lower to this place. So we have market break lower to this place. Then we will now have our confirmation for a sell. Okay, but before we do that, we have to wait for markets to open up very well. And the way are we looking at markets to drop? So we go to higher time frames to know where the market is going to drop. All right. Okay. So expect markets to dump here, but market is not just going to fall immediately based on what I'm saying. Okay. We could have market break above here, continue buying here, no problem. But we have not yet gotten our entries. Until we have market break out of this neckline, then I know that I can enter myself. So my first take profit is going to be here, this previous higher low. Yeah, my first take profit. If you have market break this level, then the next place I expect market to fall to is here, this level. Then from this level down to this. So if you are a swing trader, Now you can take this for a swing. But a day trader, where can you enter? Let's go to this 15 minutes. All right. So a day trader, what are you going to do? Where are you going to enter? So you expect markets to break out, retest. Then when you have this retest with your this thing, your bearish candlestick form, then you can have your entries somewhere around this region. Okay. Then SL will now be where? Somewhere around there. And that will be how many pips? So let's find out. All right, 32.9 pips. That's fair enough. Okay. But price has to break out. It's fair enough. So if you break out, then you have a good entry for day traders. 32.9 pips, not bad. You can enter that. So swing trader, your SS is usually more. Okay, so I've told you guys where we're targeting at TP1, TP2, and TP3. So if it actually start playing out according to what we're looking at. Remember, like I always say, I'm not the owner of the forex market. You are not the owner of the forex market. So we can only speculate and take right decisions. And whereby we take our decisions and it doesn't go in for us, it goes against us, we get to lose more. That is why our risk to reward is like this. We have a lesser risk and we have a more take profit. So that is it. We don't risk big to gain small. That's not trading. That's nonsense. Okay, it's nonsense. So I believe we actually got that. Okay, we got that. Wisdom Peter said, boss, don't forget to check news calendar. Yeah, we're going to check that ASAP. So right now we already have, how many pairs have we looked into? Two pairs, right? EU and GJ. So I think there should be one more that we should look into. So now that we're done with EU, I'll pick the next winner for the funded accounts. All right. Oppo, Yauti, and Digot has confirmed. If not confirmed, I'm going to pick someone else. So we have two people that we've called their name for the giveaway. Daniel. Oh, okay. You guys are asking of the indicator I'm using on my screen. And the indicator I'm using on my screen are going to pay me money. They're going to pay me $1 million. If you don't have $1 million, I ain't going to give it. All right. So I'm just kidding. The indicator on my screen, how many of you need it? We need to indicate in the comment section. Let me see if it is worth giving. For the mixed comedy, stop spamming this chat. That's very annoying. Stop spamming the comment section. It's very annoying. All right, he got his there as confirmed. Where's royalty? Royalty, if you've not confirmed, give it to someone else. All right, so our next winner is the maker. All right, the maker is our next winner. So that is 3 so far. Maker confirm. If you don't confirm, give it to someone else. So we have 2 more accounts to go. So let's go and look at another pair. So the next one on our list, I'll pick one, then you guys will suggest one I'm going to pick. Okay. I'm going to ask a question quickly why I look into the pair. How many of you would want us to create something like an AI copy trading? Indicate in the comment section. How many of you want us to create something like that? An AI copy trading. If you want it, you can type yes. If you don't want it, you can type no. So let's have it. I'll come back to the comment section. Let me go and analyze the other market that we have. So the next one that we have, the one I'm going to explain is going to cover up the second one, which is NZDCHF. NZDCHF and which other markets? AUDCHF. They look alike. They play. So whatever I'm analyzing in NZDCHF is you can also use it to trade AUDCHF, like they have similar charts. Okay, so let's look into this. I said the CHF is a good one. I hardly trade CHF, but this one has a very fantastic setup. And this market was recommended by Oba that just finished EU. So we looked into the market before we jumped into the YouTube live. We looked into it and it has a very good setup. So I said, okay, I'm going to share it with those who are going to connect with us tonight. Okay, so we have this downtrend market here, the downtrend market. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to be a little bit breaking the rules, what we follow. A little bit. Why? Because normal, there's a level you get to in trading, you break some rules. We're going to show you one of that, but please don't do it continuously. But for this, we're going to break the rules. Why? A little bit, because we just want to scam. Yeah. So this is a downtrend, but we want to buy from this market. Want to buy. So why? Why do we want to buy? Because on your daily time frame, we have this demand. So here, this is the lowest point at which price has gotten to, and market sold down to this point, tapping into the demand of this level right here. So what do we do? Since we have price tapping into this place, and market is going to open in a few minutes from now, what do we do? Let's go to lower time frame of 4 hours. See what we have there. The first tap was here. It tapped here. And what did it do after then? I'm going to show you. This was the first tap. Closed with a bullish engulfing candle, massive one, and bought up to this place, breaking structure. Well, this will be a change of character. Why? Because we've had markets selling, expecting this trend line, creating series of lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Then it did a change of character right here, bought up to this supply zone and dumped massively to this place. Now, what am I expecting? Since there's been a change of character in this place, tapping into the demand zone based on what works for me, strategy that works for me, and what we look into, we expect a buy from here. Yes, we expect a buy. So let's go to 1 hour time. All right. So we have the 1 hour time frame here. Market has tapped into, okay, closed with this bearish candle here. Now, where are we going to get our buy from? We go lower. All right. We can see the fall, this trend right here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You can see that, right? So market created lower high, lower high, lower high inside here. This is a temporal sell inside the major trend. Okay, so we have this right here. So when are we going to buy? I'll show you what we're going to buy. I'm going to take a buy. Do you know that whatever I'm sharing with you, I'm not sharing something that blew your account. If you blew your account, that's on your own. That's your own problem. I'm sharing with you what works for me, where I make money from the Forex market. All right. So for me, for my buy to be confirmed, where I'm going to enter, I expect market to break above. And if once it gives me this break above, come on, then I will expect my retest, find my entries right there, and I will ride the trend. I'm going to buy. Where am I buying to? Let's go to higher time frame. You know, top analysis, we go back and forth. You understand? Where am I buying to? So I'm going to be buying to this previous lower high. Remember, I said I'm breaking the rules a little because this is a downtrend. I'm not supposed to be buying. I'm going to break the rules a little. So I'm not saying you should be doing it consistently. You know? There's a reason that's giving me much reason to actually buy. You know. So I'm going to be very careful for doing this. There are traders who buy to sell to buy. That's their own problem. The cocoa is, are you making money from the market? If you're making money from the market, it's none of anybody's business. Yeah, that's what's important. There are people who trade with only indicator, they're making money. Fine. There are people who trade with only price action, they're making money. SMC making money. ICT making money. Whatever strategy that you call it, SMC and PA, all of them together. The cocoa is, are you making money? Are you making money? One thing that I hate about people who trade SMC is that they will usually feel like PA and liquidity providers. They are the one that take out. It's like, okay, that's the problem. The cocoa is whatever thing that you feel, are you making money? If you're not making money, then shut the fuck up. Okay? So just shut up. So the cocoa is, are you making money? Focus on making money. Whether it's only one candle you're looking at is making you money, no problem. Or you're trading 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. I believe a strategy that works very well for you. Fine, no problem. The cocoa is, are you making money at the end of the day? That is it. If you're not making money, then shut up your mouth and go and learn very well. All right. So normal people who make money from the market first, they don't brag, they don't have bad mouth. They're usually very humble. Yes, I'm going to tell you that. If you see someone that makes money from the market genuinely, is very respectful. I'm telling you the truth. I'm very humble. Yeah. One who doesn't make money from market, maybe through one affiliate or something, broker, this, that. They brag, they insult other traders, they compare strategies. They feel like, okay, this one no sabi, I sabi. Kind of comparison. People who make money from the market don't get time to compare. I'm telling you. All right, so just take that. So, like I said, I'm breaking the rules of trading according to the trend based on what works for me. So I'm only going to buy this market once I have this break out. Then I think this is just 84.6 pips, not bad. We're risking about 25.2 pips, not bad. It's okay for me. If you look into AUD CHF, it should have the same setup. All right. Anthony, you want chop certificates? He said, when is that certificates coming out? Don't worry, you're going to get it. Relax. See that certificate. I'm just going to release something to you guys a little bit now. January, February, March, there was one or two things. I've been busy with a lot of things actually this January, February, March. So there've not really been stability. By the grace of God, starting from this week, there's going to be stability. All right. So yeah, so those people are moving classes. Yeah, that at some point of class stop, please relax. This week we're going to fire up. All right. So I'm not running anywhere. You guys see my face, you know me, this is FS media, where I want to run. I don't run. So don't worry, nobody's coming anybody. Okay. Okay, Charles Ever said, really appreciate the top down analysis. Thank you very much for that. Chinedu Ima said, FX Media to the world. Thank you for that. I'm going to pin that. FX Media to the world. Yeah. All right. So, suggest the pair you want me to look into. I'm going to pick one. So let me scroll up and see the question I asked you guys earlier. Oh, Oyalti said is yeah. Thank you. Confirmed. Okay, I'm saying yes. Judge the good, the God ability. Say no. Okay. So what's your reason? Yes, okay, yes. Sharp, Misa, yes, AI copy trading. All right, so I'll think about it. But I'm not saying you should put your mind to it. I'll think about it. I'll say, okay, let's see what we can do about that. But always remember that the best thing you can do for yourself, let me tell you, the best way to make it out from Forex is knowing how to trade yourself. Never forget it. Knowing how to trade for yourself. All right, so what market do you want me to look into? Say FS Media big pass whiskey. I beg, no, they no do that kind of thing. Big pass whiskey, get. Say the wine. I beg, oh, that's the rough play. But I believe, amen, amen. No, I believe. I'm not going. Nobody even reminded me to take any pictures. So I'm going to take pictures. Yeah, we're live here with my niggas. Yeah, everybody's a trader. Everybody's a trader.
The lifestyle.
Okay, good. So what do we have here? Which one appears the most? Money stops nonsense. Yeah, that's how it should be. Money stops nonsense. You a start ticket, Daniel Saki. Like say one die before your time. You a start 30. All right. Okay. Thank you for that reminder. Let's have to check fundamentals. Thank you. So I'm going to check the fundamentals quickly. There's no constant pair I can see from you guys. Like I said, I never read. All right. So what is fundamental saying? Just briefly look into it. See me that I said I was going to finish at 9:30. But we don't decline better at 10 o'clock. All right. So Monday is March 10th. Yeah, March 10th. What do we have? I've taught you guys one side of fundamental how to look into it, but I didn't teach you guys fully. Because this is a YouTube live. I can't teach you everything fully, but if I teach you everything fully. So what about the VIP people? So what would they have? So I just share with you guys one way to look into it. Looking at your high impact news. So I told you guys that the markets, the news carrying the high impact, the ones that most likely going to move the market that should have interest in. The low, medium doesn't move the market. Yeah, but we have three kinds of impacts: low, medium, high. So the high impact is the one that stand a chance to move the market. And I listed some news that have high volatility during the time of their release, which is FOMC, NFP, CPI. And we have CPI for Canadian dollar, CPI for USD. Okay, so for Monday, the strategy fundamental, you look at the one with high. And I shared with you guys what to do. If you have a setup before the news drop, maybe you have a setup 12 hours before, then you can trade. All right. But if you have a setup close to the time of release of the news, you wait, let the news come and go. All right. But if you're already in the market and the news is about to drop, you break even if you're in profit. So I've taught you guys that strategy. So you'll not be surprised when you say that, okay, you're running a profit of $200, and by the time news is dropped, you're saying minus $300. Come on, guy. Okay, so high euro, not very important. That one is not important. Okay, so Monday is a free day for whatever setup you have on USD. Any pair is going to work with. Yeah, so Monday is a free day. Your technicals are going to work. Tuesday, let's look into Tuesday. We have GPP high, going to be released Tuesday early morning at 1 a.m. 1 minute past one. Yeah, 1 minute past one. High. Okay, so what does this say? Say the retail sales monitor, right? Okay, then AUD. Except you are holding trade overnight, yeah. So you may have interest with this one on Tuesday. So we have USD, okay. So I don't really move the market. Don't worry about that. So Monday, Tuesday, free day. I've declared it free day for you. Technicals are going to work. Wednesday, let's look. So what do you have on Wednesday? Okay, EU. We have lots of low. Okay, Wednesday is CPI. Sharp. Now, this is what I'm talking about. One of the news that have high impact. So what I expect to do, I just explained it to you guys what we're going to do. If you have a setup 12 hours before the news, you can take your trade. But if you have a setup close to the dropping of the news, releasing of the news, you wait, let the market come and go before you trade. Okay. But if you're already in the market, you're in profits, and you feel like your bias on the fundamental, the market is still going to go your direction, then you can break even. So you not have any surprises. So watch out for Wednesday CPI in the afternoon. Thursday, okay, jobless claims. This one tends to move the market a little bit, not so much. Friday, what do we have? Okay, we have news on GBP. So if you're trading any pair on GBP. Shine your eyes that day. What time? 8 a.m. London session. All right. So, well, I'll say generally, this week is a good week, a fantastic week. So the only time we have very serious news on Wednesday, CPI. So your that is to say your technicals are going to work this week. So don't forget to apply proper risk management to your trades. Okay, never forget that. Please and please take advantage of the promo that is going to kick off tomorrow. I expect everybody to be part of the competition going on. You have an opportunity that you don't need to what spend a $500 to purchase the competition, the one BTC competition. You don't need to spend you don't need to spend $500. Now, you all what you need to spend is like $265. That's if you are getting a $10,000 instant funded account. So if you're buying a $10,000 instant funded account and above, instant funded account and above, from 10K and above, then you're buying it at 20% off. You understand? And you now get a free competition account, and the rewards are going to be given to up to 100 people that are going to do well in the competition. So if you're here, anybody that you know that's supposed to be here, tell the person to participate in the competition. All right, it's just an opportunity. The account is no longer 1K. This is a very fantastic opportunity to take advantage of. Why? Because now you are not just carrying your money to just buy only the competition account. You're also benefiting an instant funded account, a 10K, 30K, anyone you want to buy, 90K. You have an opportunity of that. So even if you don't win the competition, you still have an instant funded account. So tell me, why don't you want to take an opportunity? That kind of opportunity. I remember what I said. As a trader, focus on growing your equity other than your profit. Profit is important, yes, but as an investor, grow your equity, because if you make a 5% of $100,000, come on, everywhere good, 5%, and 5% is easy to make in the market. How do I mean? What is 5% of $100? $5. And many of you here can close your eyes and make $5 from the market. Many of you here that have traded, you can make $5, and it's just $5 is just 5% of $100. Now imagine 5% of $100,000. Go and press your calculator. You will see the reason why I said as a trader, you focus more on growing your equity other than your what, your profit. Profit is very important, yes, but still on still, do what I asked you to do. All right. So I didn't really see a suggestion. A suggestion that okay, I think the one that's constant is GBP. Wait, I mean people are typing it GBP card. Ah, do you notice anyone that's constant? Constant? Yeah, that was constant. Okay. So my guy said that the CAD was constant. But one, then we pick the last two in that. That is it. All right, market has opened 10. Also, I have this on my screen. Let me just search it. I don't know why this is just loading since. Okay, please open up. Oh, all right, it's opening. So let's see what we have there. If I just look at it, it doesn't look good. I won't bother analyzing it. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay. All right, this CJJ is not bad. Just a temporal move. Temporal move. But what I'm seeing on higher time frame, saying that market approached an important zone. Okay. This is a very important zone. The market approached here. So you go to lower time frame. Let's see. 1 hour is on a support zone as on a demand zone right here. So you can't actually take the risks because on a higher time frame, anything can happen right here. I know why you asked me to look into CJ because you've seen a lower high, lower low, expect market to continue selling. Well, based on the way I trade, I can't advise a sell right here because this is a very serious zone from where the higher time frame. I believe you guys saw that they're actually filling up here. See it right here, a demand zone right here. Okay, where this one tapped into from this tapped into, this one tapped into. So and the market is still there, it's still around the demand zone. So what do you think is going to happen? You can't start selling from that place. You just track it. That is why you need to not forget doing your top-down analysis. But I know, like I said, you guys are looking at lower high, lower low. Okay, market is in the it's has created the lower high right here, so expect market to sell down here. Well, it may happen, but I'm telling you, it's not every market I took here this side. Mom be say, if I don't see which side the fan, I know the trade. You understand? I feel not see set up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but I see set up Thursday, Friday. I cannot just look at this kind of market, I cannot just look at this side because not trading is still part of trading. Okay. The one I'm likely going to look at inside is one I analyze with you guys. Okay. That once I have this confirmation, then I'm going to take my trade. So that will be that. The life is already long. So let's just pick the two winners and call it tonight. All the names I've been calling, I've not had a female. I want to pick a female and a male. A female and a male. That's what I want to pick. Female and a male. And all these people that have won tonight, what I want you to do is send me your evidence of participation. Okay? Send me evidence of participation. Yeah, that is you're following Tentrade, you're following Tentrade, you're following me, you share the posts, you understand? Send those posts to me. Okay? So that is it. So I believe you guys got value. Yeah, they got value. Yeah. So I'm just going to pick the last two winners out. So I'm just looking through the comments. So that's why my eyes is up here. Right. If you're a female in the house, let me see you right here. Show some love. A female in the house, show some love, ASAP. If I go see a maker, they form female, well, may I go swear for you. One David Okoye, they form female. Well, you go chop blocking. All right, so if you're a female, let me see you. Drop some comments right now. If you're a female in the house, drop some comments. Let's go. If you're not a female, that's it for you. If you're a female, drop some comments ASAP. If you're a female, drop some comments. And if you're a male, and you're dropping a female comment, just know that you are out. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just off your data. Go sleep. And no female for you. Now so now they do for you. Now wow. Ha. Female no do it. Okay. Okay, now don't go sleep. I see what you guys are doing there. Tomorrow you'll be looking for one boy to escape poverty. When I go date, they bill him, they bill him. Money wey no fit be your papa, na him go be one young boy wey dey try survive. When I learn Forex, na no worry. So how old is the best video? I need to do an anniversary. All right, Zaobi. So if you Zaobi, I pick you. You're female. Congratulations to you. Yeah. So one more male. Chris. Yeah. So I pick Chris. So they have royalty. Egot, Emeka, Chris, and Zaobi. So congratulations to you guys. I think that will be all for tonight. Please and please make sure you trade the real account this week. Purchase your account, take advantage of the promo. Now, in case you can't participate in the what they call it in the competition, or you can't afford the $10,000 instant funded account, you can't afford it. You can buy the one that you can afford. You understand? There's still 20%, and it's only the promo only runs Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. That's from tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday, rather. Just 3 days. So take advantage of 20% off. Start trading this app. So if you're not yet in the Funded Traders group, do what I asked you to do. Get your account, send me a proof so I can add you to the Funded Traders group. I'm going to be raining a lot of signals on that group this week. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being part of the life. Keep trading. Keep being a good person. Show love to people. Take the things of God serious. Okay? Don't be that Christian or Muslim that is only inside church but is wicked outside, wicked to his fellow man, and going to cry, may God, why haven't answered my prayer? Go and help your character, adjust your character. Okay, so yeah, please be nice to people, pray, show love, give what you give at your capacity. Probably can give money or give service, render service. I've taught you guys that giving does not just involve only money. You can render service as form of giving. You understand? All right. So, any other information, I'm going to communicate to you guys. Thank you so much for being fans of the live. Till we meet again in the next one. Those of us in the Funded Traders group, see you in the group. Those of you that have pending classes, see you this week. Yeah, I love you all and keep winning. Do have a lovely week. Bye.